Hi children, welcome to my English class. Today I will teach you a supplementary lesson 5, All Summer in a Day by Ray Bradbury. Let us know about the author. Ray Douglas Bradbury, August 22, 1920 to June 5, 2012, was an American author and screenwriter. He worked in a variety of genres including fantasy, science fiction, horror, and fiction. Characters of the story: Margot plays a main character who came to planet Venus only 5 years ago. William was one of the classmates of Margot. Children were also the classmates of Margot who hated her silence. Teacher, an educator who teaches in the planet Venus. Bradbury's story, All Summer in a Day, revolves around a day's happening in planet Venus after it is colonized by humans. This story falls under the category of science fiction. So far, Earth is the only planet supporting human beings and the survival of millions of plants and thousands of animals. But in this story, we come across children who are settled in Venus in an underground tunnel. Scientists predicted that the sun would be visible in planet Venus for an hour. Children in the dark planet were overjoyed about the event. Each tried to visualize how the sun would appear. Except Margot, all the children had seen the sun 7 years ago. Margot had come only 4 years ago. Till 5, she was in Ohio and had seen and enjoyed many sunny days and summer lasting 3 months. She says it's an orb like a penny. It is a kind of a ball with yellow flame. It's burning like a stove. The more details she gives, the more she is hated by her peers. Realizing the unspoken but obvious contempt in the eyes of the peers, Margot keeps quiet. William teases Margot. One day she even threw tantrums and wanted to be sent back to her parents to the earth. Other children realized that it would cost a fortune for her parents, but she was helpless. She stopped talking to the peers. They teased her. She ignored and started anxiously waiting for the brief encounter with the sun. She deeply believed that as per the prediction of the scientists, they would see the sun for an hour in the Venus planet. Her silence disturbed the peers so much that they forcefully locked her up in a room. Children got really excited. They wanted to see the touch of sunlight on all forms of life in the planet. Children persist that they be allowed to go out of the sun. The teacher allows them with a warning that they must be back in 2 hours. They started running and turning their faces up the sky and feeling the sun on their cheeks like a warm iron. Like animals escaped from their caves, they ran shouting in circles. After really enjoying the brief summer that lasted for an hour, they quietly returned to the tunnel. Suddenly they remembered that they had locked Margot, who was most anxiously waiting to see the sun, had been locked up. Realizing their folly, they went back and opened the door very slowly. There was silence. They let Margot out slowly. They were sorry for Margot, who had lost the chance to see the sun. Thus, children, in this lesson, the author Bradbury has shown how human nature from an early age can lead to envy, that is, jealousy, and lack empathy, means lack of emotion, which in turn can result in cruelty. Thank you.